Welcome to Ultimate. Let me give you a tour. So this is our space which we have designed for small dogs. This has temperature controlled indoor playroom. The floor is all rubberized so that their paws are not stressed too much. We have a space this side. So this space is for them to freshen up while they play so that the indoor area is clean all the time and pee and poop is done in this area. We also have the rooms which are luxurious enough for them to have a lot of private space, their own bed, mattress, bowl, everything is here, and they are always completely supervised even during sleep or during play. Let me take you to another floor where we have a more variety of rooms for dogs to be socialized. So come, this is our spa. This is where they get all the celebrity looks. Each dog is handled very carefully. Our staff is experienced. Each one of them is around 5+ years of experience. We also have a beautiful bathtub area. So this gives all the vibes where your dog will not want to go back home again. We also have retail space where you'll find the products which are not very easily available, like beer for dogs, wine for dogs, completely safe. This doesn't have alcohol. Also, we have premium products, jackets, food, treats. Anyone, while the dog is getting groomed, you can easily have a look and buy these products.
Hi everyone, welcome to the next episode of Petsmania Tales and Trails. Today we are at the Ultimate Pet Hotel and Spa, owned by Shivangini, and we are delighted to meet her today. Hi Shivangini, how are you?
I am Possum.
Oh, that's good. Okay, Shivangini, जब मैं इस facility enter होती हूँ, there is one thing that catches my eye is the name Ultimate.
Right.
What is the theory behind it? Is it कि ultimate experience देना था, that's why you tweaked it, or what's the story behind it?
So, as you rightly mentioned, it's a word play between two words. So, ultimate is something which is the extreme best out of what you can offer. Mutt means dog's nose. So, the logo, if you see, it is a dog's nose, and the name comes from there that we want to provide the ultimate experience to parents who are pet parents. So, that's why ultimate is a word play between that.
Amazing. And how did this idea came to your life? Because I'm sure you were into a job, you are a chartered accountant. What
Right.
made you go into this possum world?
So, before being a chartered accountant, I am a dog lover to the core. You will see me petting dogs on street where people, like, I can make them wear jackets when the other people are even scared. So I am a person who sees a dog, dog sees me. It's an instant love story. So as we know that dogs recognize vibe, they
Yeah.
recognize soul. And I found my soulmate in my own dog. He is a golden retriever, Joey, around 4.5 years old. So when we got him during COVID period, I got married and then we adopted him. He came into our life and changed everything. And but again, in terms of pet friendliness, India is not there yet. So
Yeah.
there are several places, several instances, several occasions in our day-to-day life where we can't take our pets along. And from there, our journey began. We had to leave him into different boarding centers over our course of like around 1 year, wherein we had a marriage in our own family, our own sister's wedding, then some family travels, some abroad travels. That's where we saw that the current space of pet boarding is largely unorganized. People are doing it as a hobby.
Yeah.
It is not something which is very professional in their mind. If you like dogs, you can keep dogs. It is that right now. But having a pet who is not even your own, someone else's at your place is like 100x responsibility.
True.
That's where we thought to build something where our own Joey can enjoy and other lot of other Joeys like him, where people are stress free when they are attending to something else. It can be a family, wedding, emergency, travel, anything. And the pets also feel that it is a vacation for them.
Right.
So that's where this all came into our mind. Then I was, as you mentioned, I am a chartered accountant, so I was into full time job, and this started side by side, wherein again entire day was occupied in my own job and running this. After around certain months, when we saw that this is something I can do for full time, and my partner, my husband, was also the driving force behind me. So he pushed me that yes, this is something you should pursue, because at the end of the day, you have to work, and if you work into something which you love, it doesn't seem like work. So that's where we started Ultimate. Our first center, first location is a big farm style boarding. It's near Gwal Pahadi Road. It's a 20,000 square feet huge area.
Yeah.
And then this is the second center where we have thought of small dogs especially, because they are more pampered ones. They are lap dogs and they want to sleep with the caretakers. They have their own kind of energy levels.
Right.
So that's where the second center also came into place. And now we also have grooming. We have grooming at home, grooming at spa. So we want to be a partner for parents in pet parenting,
Yeah.
and also imparting education to parents as much as we can, because everybody wants to be a good parent. Someone just needs to guide them.
Right. And I saw the facility, it is amazing.
Thank
Very near to the Galleria market. बहुत posh location है, first of all. So kudos to you for that. I'm sure जितना journey आपकी beautiful रही है, उतनी challenging भी रही होगी.
Right.
So do you want to speak those challenges कि ये struggle आता है, कहीं pet parents को थोड़ा सा understanding होनी चाहिए, कुछ awareness tips which you would like to share?
Right. So yeah, awareness is one thing which is very, very low currently in the market.
Right.
So while we all love our pets to the core, we have to understand that they are a different species. They are dogs.
Right.
Dogs have their own boundaries, their own challenges, and their own routine. So if as a pet parent you want your dog to be happy with other dogs and you feel that they are shy, you should give them that space. So there are, like humans, they have different personalities. Some dogs are introverts, some dogs are extroverts. Some of them want only humans because that is how they have been bred. They have been bred to be with humans.
Right.
But the early on exposure we give to our dogs, meeting new people, going new places, or meeting new dogs, the easier it is for the dog and the parent to kind of coexist together.
Right.
So yeah, awareness is something which we also try to give to every parent whenever they come to meet us or visit the facility, or even on a phone call. We make them understand that why does your dog not eat the very first meal when he comes to boarding? Why does your dog not easily sleep when you are not there? Because there is a certain pattern to each species. Again, they are different species. We have to respect that.
Yeah.
And it's the parent, I feel, who needs more training than the dog. The minute you understand that you have to coexist beautifully, you will kind of find ways around it. And I think, yeah, that's how everybody learns. Even when you have a human child, he can't speak, she can't speak, but you have to pick up the cues that what he or she is trying to communicate to you. Same is with the dog. You have to be very, very patient and very, very loving. The dog will give you, I guess, 1,000 times more love if you are more patient with the dog.
100%. And as you were speaking before the podcast, I was seeing you busy with the groups. आज स्टाफ को ये बोलना है, आज स्टाफ को ये बताना है, ये बच्चे का चेक इन हुआ है, ये बच्चे का चेकआउट हुआ है. I'm sure you might go mad with 2 facilities. How do you start? How does your day look like? And what are the challenges?
Okay, so initially when we started, it was me, my husband, and our on-ground team. So our on-ground team is something who has to be trained constantly. We keep on training them. And how do we manage is we have WhatsApp groups for each facility and between ourselves. So now I'm not alone. I'm not the only person who's handling it. I have my team members who are females, who are pet parents. So that is the first qualification for anybody to join us. And it's run like very, very professionally. There's a proper schedule which is followed. If a dog wakes up at 7, staff has to wake up at 7, the caretakers on ground. We also wake up immediately. We keep on checking what is happening. You will not believe, our phone is full of poop pictures, because the minute a dog poops, we have that picture with us. That is the clear indication of a dog is healthy or not.
Yeah, true.
So everything is like done to the T, that this is something which we need to know. And if you are a pet parent, you will never be disgusted by a poop picture. Your own phone will be filled with different kind of poop pictures. So that is where each and everything is been designed, and we keep on checking. There's a proper schedule that when is their cleaning, when is their brushing, when do they have to eat, when do they have to sleep, when do they have to play, and if they are cold, there has to be a jacket. So we keep on getting pictures. We have CCTV surveillance for our internal team. If a dog is curled up, we immediately ask the staff to give her a sweater or put a blanket. And the day is crazy, it never ends. So from 7 a.m. till 7 p.m. generally is what everything finishes. Then after 7 p.m., we again keep on checking what is happening. And by God's grace, after 7 p.m. or after 8 p.m., generally nothing happens. The dogs also sleep and the caretakers can also easily sleep.
Lovely, inspiring, lovely. These are the two words I would like to use. Acha, one question that comes to my mind always. I have two breeds घर में. One is Shih Tzu, one is Toy Poodle. दोनों के आपस में एक साल से नहीं बन रही है. And you run such big facilities. कैसे manage करते हो the different breeds, the different temperaments? How do you manage it?
So if you are a first, like if we have a first interaction as a customer, suppose you call me that how do I manage? So the first thing is the first call which happens with the pet parent by my team or by me is to understand the behavior end to end. It is a 10 to 15 minutes long call. Parent might also think कि इतना क्यों पूछ रहे हो, कोई और नहीं पूछता इतना, why are you asking so much? We ask so much because your dog can't speak for themselves. So we have to understand, are there any triggers, are there any things which they might not like and which makes them anxious during the stay. Our motive is to provide the dog a safe space, a happy space. That happens when we know what does he like, what he doesn't like, what should we do, what should we not do. Not do is more important because then you are infiltrating the space. The personal space can't be messed with. So for different breeds, we have different sections in our that facility also, this facility also. According to their age, size, and the play style, they are grouped during playtime. For sleep, there are separate rooms for each of them because again, in a setup which is out of their home, they can be unpredictable and our job is to ensure their safety. So at night when they are asleep, they should have their own proper space, no other dog coming into their space or no other human kind of encroaching their space so that they again feel threatened. So that's how we try to group them during playtime. There is constant supervision as well. We keep on correcting them. If someone is more playful, the other one is not, even being of the same age. Keep on correcting them during the playtime and accordingly they are like very intelligent, so they just need your guidance in terms of not do or do this. They will understand, and with your love I guess it is more easy. So the dogs which come to our facility, if you visit there, the parents leave and the dog runs. मतलब they will not even look back for the parent or the car, so they are like कि ये तो हमें देख ही नहीं रहा है दोबारा. So they feel vibes, and if they feel that they'll be loved here, they will definitely tell the parents the same.
Right, and I feel that क्योंकि मैं as a customer enter हुई थी, I didn't tell her that I am taking the podcast and कुछ, I just entered as a customer. I wanted to see the services क्योंकि बात करने से ज़्यादा important है trust होना. And through this podcast, I want to share those places which I actually trust. I'll be honest, मेरी मफ़ी कहीं नहीं जाती है. And grooming हो, socialization हो, and she was vibrating literally when she came here कि मुझे grooming करा रहे हैं भागो. That is the obviously the expression that they have inside. But after the grooming was done, I share the pictures with everybody. She was calm. She was like, wow, what a place for me. And she's looking adorable. I have a party to host next week, and I'm sure I will thank Ultimate for the beautiful party look that she has. But in terms of services, what do you feel कि your grooming stands out from other services? क्योंकि I'm sure you have opened the at-home grooming, which is the most needed thing for pet parents because some of them are working.
Yeah.
So for them Saturday Sunday ही मिलता है, like me. So Saturday नहीं मन करता कभी-कभी जाने का. So what is that makes you different from the others that are there in the market?
What makes us different is what you rightly mentioned. इससे पहले आपने आंसर दे दिया है. We are trying to humanize the space. So if you see other grooming centers or other at-home services, it is kind of running on a clock. फटाफट खत्म करो, अगली करनी है, फटाफट खत्म करो, अगली करनी है. If you will not make the dog feel comfortable, you will also not be able to do justice to the job you are doing.
Right.
So again, the groomers here, the helpers with them, and everybody in like who will meet you even at the reception are properly trained and explained that you have to kind of first take a pet first approach. Make them comfortable. Of course, they'll take time. No dog will come wagging tail. Not every dog can do that.
Right.
But if you handle them correctly, if you touch them the way they understand that this is not something which will harm me, the way we have checked on each and every product while sourcing it, that this is something which will benefit the coat. It is not something which is a cost for us. It is something which will help the dog, which will help the parent be happy that yes, this is something which I got done. It lasted for so many days, and the results are like amazing, as you saw. So once you touch her coat, you will feel the difference. That is what we have done in at-home grooming as well. The products other brands use, I'm not commenting on them, but you can see the difference once you do use our services.
True.
And your dog will be happier once they get groomed here.
I could never see Muffy so silent क्योंकि वो उसके साथ तो वाइब्रेशन हो जाता है, फुल वाइब्रेटेड चलती है उसकी. So thank you so much once again for the lovely service. And इससे मेरे दिमाग में एक क्वेश्चन आता है जो not a question really, a tip from you. As a pet parent, I do make a lot of mistakes. चाहे वो hygiene से related हो गई, चाहे वो grooming से related हो गई. Whenever I try to comb her, उसके knots थोड़े आ जाते हैं. What is that one tip that you would like to share with the pet parents कि घर पे ऐसे बच्चे को manage करना चाहिए?
I think इसका एक ही गुरु मंत्र है, that you have to keep brushing their coat every day.
Okay.
Can't skip it. Especially in dogs like yours and mine, which have very thick coat. You have to take small steps if the dog doesn't like it, but brush them every day. The minute you start brushing them every day, combing them every day, you will see a difference in their coat. You will also notice things which are not easily visible. Suppose ticks and fleas. If you brush them properly, you will be able to kind of point it out कि यहाँ पर कुछ ऐसा है जो कल नहीं था.
Right.
So that is, I guess, the easiest thing to do. It is also difficult for the dogs who don't like it. We can start slowly, but make it a habit. Even at the end of the day, you are super tired, just give a 10-minute brush. It doesn't take longer than that.
Right.
And it will help you identify a lot of problems in the coat, in the hair, or in health. Sometimes there are some lumps in the body which we are not able to kind of judge, क्योंकि डॉग का पेन थ्रेशोल्ड बहुत हाई होता है. इट्स लाइक कि जब तक उसको इतना दर्द नहीं हो रहा कि वो कुछ बोले, दे विल नॉट लेट यू नो समथिंग इज हैपनिंग.
Right.
So the more you try and touch your dog, brush them, and take out time for them, it is easier. And it is not a, I guess, something which we can't do it in everyday life. We just have to take out time for it, the way we take out time for reels. It's the same.
Correct. So and one more thing, क्योंकि यहाँ पे grooming होता है, lot of groomings come in, तो obviously hairs हो जाता है. So what are the safety and hygiene protocols that you follow?
After every grooming, cleaning is done, sanitization is done. That is a non-negotiable. If a walk-in is happening and a grooming is happening, parent has to wait. And if there is a time period between them, they can easily go to Galleria Market and have a kind of quick bite. But before sanitization or before cleaning, we generally don't start another grooming. And that's where this human angle that I mentioned earlier, that there has to be certain humanization. The groomers are also not machines.
Right.
They can't keep on working non-stop. So they also have to have a little break. The moment your team is happy, they feel that yes, I am valued for, they will give you the results which no one has even thought of.
Right.
So yeah.
And one more beautiful thing I noticed was, because I have a habit कि जहाँ भी गई हूँ, I have to visit the place, I have to explore the place. So I saw the rooms were properly labeled कि इसमें कौन सा Shih Tzu है with the name. Then Peanut, I saw the name Peanut. Then there was another room with large dogs, उनके name. So I found it beautiful first of all. And how do you manage their sleep time, fun time, and their eating time? कैसे manage होता है, वो schedule कौन decide करता है?
So again, as I mentioned earlier, there's a proper schedule which we follow in both the facilities, and it's the same. It's is designed according to dogs. Dogs wake up in the morning, they need playtime and walk time, and again same in the evening. So also a healthy dog needs around 14 to 16 hours of sleep uninterrupted. So if you wake up at 7, give them playtime of around an hour, breakfast, and then clean them up, brush them up. Afternoon is again nap time. So nap times are very, very sacred for us. Why? Because if a dog doesn't get proper rest, they will be very, very frustrated. They will show that by tearing things up, by chewing things up. Even at your home, you might have experienced this. If the dog is not well rested, they will throw the energy, the pent up energy into something else which is not as productive as we want it to be. So that's why the sleeping time, meal time, play time has been properly designed for. And unlike पॉपुलर बिलीफ कि एक डॉग जो है खेलता ही रहना चाहिए, ही हैज टू
हाँ.
कीप रनिंग.
हाँ.
Sleep is equally important. If you don't, even at your home, you can try and see if you are not allowing 14 to 16 hours of sleep in your dog, and even more in puppies, like till 6 months, they need 20 hours of sleep. So don't be scared कि इतना क्यों सो रहा है. That is what their body needs. And that's why we have designed the schedule like that. So although the structure of both the facilities is different in terms of the brick and mortar, but the dogs are dogs inherently, and hence the schedule has been designed like that. If you come to the facility during peak period, which is Christmas or Diwali, where we have like 30 dogs, 35 dogs, we have that capacity, you will not hear a single one barking after 8 p.m. That is because they have been properly cared for.
Yeah.
So you will not understand कि हाँ अंदर इतने dog हैं if you just walk past.
हाँ, I entered, मुझे नहीं पता था dogs हैं यहाँ पे until you told me कि ये dogs हैं, this is their room, and I could see the proper labeling. What do you do in case there is any emergency you feel कि नहीं ये dog की तबीयत खराब हो रही है?
So we
that is the
have-
most important
Yeah.
parameter
Yes.
from a pet parent.
Yes.
Yeah.
So, like basic things we have trained. I have gained that knowledge. I can be of guidance for basic things like a loose motion or a vomit. But if something serious which is beyond our help happens, we have a vet on call, on board, and we can take guidance from them. If suppose it is not under our control, we take the pet directly to the vet. We'll inform the parent also that this has happened. We are taking them there, and then we let the doctor communicate direct with the parent, so that we can't like act as doctors unless we know a doctor. And a doctor for dogs is equally important as for humans. So
Right.
we just don't go to any other doctor. We go to the one whom we trust. Like she has 10 years of experience, and we know. I personally take my own dog there. That's why I have that blind trust in her and her team. And she's Dr. Shelley. You must have heard of her somewhere. And that is where we, I guess, as guardians of the dog while you are away, should do that. Inform the parent, number one. Number two, take the proper vet guidance, and number
Yeah.
three, ensure medicines are given on time. So even if you send your dog and you send few medicines, we will send a video of your dog having that medicine. We'll send it to you कि हमने ये medicine खिलाई है. So each and everything, the updates which we send to a pet parent is around 15 to 20 during the day, 15 to 20 videos at multiple times.
Wow.
Photos, we even have video call facility if you want to know what is happening. And we have live chat support. So live chat means it's like chatting with your own friend कि अभी मेरा dog क्या कर रहा है, is he sleeping, has he eaten. We have a team for that, only to ensure that you can do the other thing which is right now more maybe important.
Right, salon
And you
जाना
can do that,
है,
yeah.
काम करना है, grocery लेनी है,
Yes.
a lot of things are like that. Okay, so that's really amazing. I have seen a lot of videos. Ultimate का मेरा पहला experience भी बहुत अच्छा था, although our event got cancelled.
Yeah.
But the way humbleness you showed कि बेचारे आए हैं, let us speak to them, let us ask their concerns. So I have seen a lot of support from the influencers, very popular influencers like Goofy Tim Tim. What do you believe has earned that respect? And obviously, you added Muffy to the list today. So, what do you feel about the Gurgaon pet community first of all, and what do you think is the reason responsible कि आपके पे लोग इतना trust कर पा रहे हैं?
See, genuineness, I guess.
Right.
Like dogs, we also understand each other's vibes.
Right.
जैसे ही हम
Correct.
मिलते हैं, we know that is this person actually someone whom I can trust or not. And about Gurgaon pet parents, the ones you mentioned and also many others, the thing is that we actually act like parents. And if we act like parents, we want to have a community, we want to have someone who looks after our dog like a child. Those are not something which I guess anybody can do. So you will meet a lot of people who maybe have or had dogs in the past, but they conveniently maybe didn't like the dog's breed, didn't like their behavior. They conveniently asked someone else to take care of the dog. There can be several circumstances. We are not here to judge them, but I feel that if you have brought a dog or any pet who can't speak for themselves in your life, you have to make a lot of adjustments. So think before you get a dog, and always take it as a like their lifetime responsibility. You can't ignore that. So again, for Gurgaon pet parents, the ones which I'm friends with, and also many pet parents who are in our journey, around I guess 700 to 800 pet parents we have hosted till date. The only thing which can make them vouch for us and us vouch for them is we care for dogs like babies. And the minute you have that conversation with each other, you will very quickly understand कि यार ये वाले जो हैं ये genuinely care करते हैं. So I tell you, I can't, मतलब रात को 2 बजे भी I can remember कि उस dog का शायद वो वाला स्वेटर रह गया था. Then I message the team कि सुबह देखना ये रह गया था क्या. So you can't, if you are so obsessed with someone or something, you can't sleep. You will always have that in mind. So while boarding seems very easy due to the reels, due to the happy dogs, it is 100x of work. And hats off to my team as well, जो ground पर है, because they even in this weather, this winter, waking up at 7 a.m, taking dogs out, making them play. Most of us sleep कि यार सो जाओ थोड़ी देर में walk पे लेके जाएंगे.
Correct.
But in a boarding or in a pet hotel, you can't do that. The dog wakes up, it starts barking, you have to wake up, you have to take them. So that is why finding that genuine caretakers, genuine team on ground and genuine pet parents is what I think made all of us a close-knit community.
Right. I mean that's amazing. Your journey seems like, and this is the first podcast ever जहाँ पे कोई cuts अभी तक आए नहीं है. So genuinely really loving talking to you. Coming to the last segment of questions, you have 2 facilities and you're beautifully running it. Is there any expansion plan, or what is the next mission for Ultimate?
So expansion plan I guess is always in place. कहीं ना कहीं दिमाग में होता है कि यार ये अच्छा हो जाए तो फिर ये भी करेंगे. But the ultimate dream or goal is, as I mentioned earlier, to be your partner in pet parenting, because out there is a lot of information, not everything is right. So if we are in a place where we are a name of trust, someone says कि अगर Ultimate ने बताया है तो सही ही बताया होगा. And I guess that is it. मतलब अगर एक भी ये बोल दे कि Ultimate ने बताया है या शिवांगिनी ने बोला है, तो yes. And again, मेरा second name Nupur है, तो many of my clients know me as Nupur only. Shivangini is a different, difficult name, like Ultimate. So, I know, like my name, my brand name, both of them are a little bit difficult. That's why I used to earlier share कि आप Nupur बोल दो, that is fine. Instead of calling me Shivani or Shivangi.
Thanks for this name, because मुझे भी pronounce करने में बड़ा difficult सा हो रहा था. ठीक है. So coming to the last fun question, अगर Ultimate एक pet dog breed होता, कौन सी breed होता और क्यों?
Golden. Like Goldens are happy go lucky. मतलब उनको देखोगे ना आप, आपका दिन अच्छा हो ही जाएगा.
Correct.
I am not saying कि बाकी dogs ऐसे नहीं होते. It's my personal like choice कि मेरे को Goldens बहुत ही ज़्यादा पसंद. The minute you see, they'll smile, you'll smile, they'll wag their tails, they want to play, they want to eat, they will mimic your energy very, very easily. And again, very family oriented. So anyone who wants to understand कि ऐसी family है, हम dog को कैसे रखें, क्या रखें, yes, get a golden, but yes, ensure कि proper energy बाहर निकालिए. If you don't give enough exercise,
right,
the golden will also turn into someone you will say कि यार मैं नहीं इसको संभाल पा रहा हूँ. So understand the dog first and then get it.
So the answer is golden retriever.
Yes.
ठीक है. Coming to the last section, so this time we'll play a rapid fire. ठीक है. And the name of the game is inspired from Ultimate, myth or mutt. So if it's a myth, you have to say myth. If it's a right thing, you have to say mutt.
Okay.
Now, why this game with you? Because people trust you. So let's start with the first one. People do say dogs don't need grooming if they stay indoors.
Myth.
And why do you say that?
So see, like us, if you don't go to office, if you work from home, will you not take a bath? Will you not wash your head? It's the same for them. Plus, because their body generates a lot of oil naturally.
Right.
They have their own dog smell, which generally starts coming after 15 days or 20 days. So you should definitely, minimum to minimum, try and give them a proper bath plus blow dry in at least 20 to 25 days. Even in winters, you can't skip it. It's like your own grooming. The more it will also prevent itching. You will see your dog itching if you haven't groomed them properly. So definitely a myth.
Myth. Okay. Boarding makes dogs aggressive. Myth ya mutt?
Myth.
Myth. I know this answer, so not needed. Only puppies enjoy the boarding experience.
Myth. Why? Because you will see a lot of adult dogs who are repeated beloved dogs. It's like giving them a space where they can go leash free. How many places in Gurgaon or in Delhi do you know where they have that leash free experience? So yes, do your research properly before sending your dog to a boarding. Do proper research like you do yourselves for booking a hotel. You check hundreds of reviews, you see everything, then only you book it. Same, try and invest as much of time before boarding your dog. So we have around 5 to 6 dogs who generally just come morning to evening for play. Their parents are at home. They don't have to go anywhere. We call it back to school. It's our van. It brings them in the morning.
Wow.
6 to 7 dogs together in the van. They all play the entire day and then go back home. So it's like their routine. It's like for human dogs. Human babies. We have this one. So it's definitely a myth that a puppy will enjoy more.
हर क्वेश्चन में आपके बारे में कुछ नया पता चलता है. आई डिडंट नो दिस टू. ठीक है. दिस second last is sleeping with pets on beds is not healthy.
That is the biggest myth, I guess. कि if you sleep with your dog on bed, आपको जो नींद आएगी वो आपको अकेले आ ही नहीं सकती. The kind of satisfaction you get, अगर आपका डॉग आपके पास आ गया ना बेड पे, ऐसा लगता है कि मेरा दिन बहुत, मतलब मैंने कुछ बहुत ही अच्छा करा है, दैट ही हैज चूजन मी टू स्लीप बिसाइड मी. सो आई गेस पेट पेरेंट्स को तो बहुत ही पसंद है. मेनी ऑफ देम ब्रिंग देम कि आजा बेड पे आजा, हमारे पास आजा. एंड इट डजंट डू एनीथिंग टू योर हेल्थ. यू जस्ट हैव टू क्लीन द बेडशीट इन द मॉर्निंग. इट माइट हैव सम हेयर, सो थोड़ा एफर्ट तो लगाओगे ना.
वो एनीवेज करना पड़ेगा. एंड द लास्ट वन इज dogs don't get anxious like humans.
Dogs get super anxious. So
that's a
they get super anxious also. Dogs are mirrors. If you are a pet parent who is very very anxious कि कुछ हो जाएगा मेरे dog को, कुछ हो जाएगा, they are एक तो connected with you through a soul connection, and also they mimic your energy very very like evidently. So if as example जैसे आज आप लाए थे, आपके बैक माइंड पे भी था कि यार ये कहीं नहीं जाती है, ये परेशान. द मोमेंट यू लेफ्ट फ्रॉम देयर, यू वर विद मी, she got that energy from the people around her कि यहाँ कुछ गलत नहीं होगा. So dogs get very very anxious and parents get even more anxious. So first I guess humans have to work on their anxiety to be able to work on their dogs'
anxiety. Yes. Right. I think that was an amazing fire rapid round, and thank you so much. This was a very fun conversation. Sath mein my baby is also groomed, so a very well utilization of time. So guys, if you want to book a pet hotel or grooming or daycare, Shivangini is the go-to person. And if you want to watch such interesting conversation, please do watch Petsmania Tales and Trails. Thank you so much.